Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off eye comfort shield in Samsung Galaxy S22. The fastest way to turn it off is to simply swipe from the top again, and here somewhere in this menu we will have our eye comfort shield shortcut. Alternatively, we can also go to settings, then under display we have eye comfort shield right here. So to turn it off, we simply tap this little box right here. Of course, we can customize it if we want to. We can set it as adaptive or custom. We can set up schedule or color temperature. But to turn it off, let's leave it as off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.